Hi friends, today we are going to do some plant care activities in our balcony garden. So come with me, join me in that. So welcome to PlantiFy. Let us start with tilling the soil a bit. This is my weekly activity. Loosening of the soil helps in aeration of the soil. It helps in plants growth. The peeling for this side is done and now we are going to tackle the other side of the balcony. Let us move towards it. Okay, so now we are going to tackle this part of this balcony. So we'll do the same thing for this. Don't dig too close to this base. Go along the edge of your pot so that the main root system is not disturbed.
Got little distracted by the beautiful view.
Let us go back to our walk. Now coming to this bougainvillea. This pot is filled up with all these dried leaves. This is another thing I do during my weekly activities. This bougainvillea is still blooming, but other two already stopped blooming. They will again bloom during months. After the bougainvillea, it's time to tackle the beans pot. I'm growing beans, one broccoli here, and one marigold. Very carefully because many plants are growing at the same time in this pot. So you don't want to disturb any of the root system. Now it's time for the brinjal plant. This is my eggplant or brinjal plant. It started flowering. You can see all these flowers and birds. So that is. And I'll harvest all these spinaches and these methis. Corianders are still very tiny, so they are growing here, but I have another pot where handful of corianders are ready to be plucked. Here are some radish going on, and first time I'm growing some carrots. Let us see how it goes. These flowers already dried up, so I'll cut them off. They were very beautiful red flowers. They look like this. Now their turn is over. I'm thanking them and discarding. Bye. Also, I need to tackle this plant. This one is not required because this is comparatively new and I have potted it few days back.
I have few indoor plants at this side of the balcony. This side don't get any direct sunlight. This one is
Heart-leaf philodendron. This is known photos. This is enjoy photo. This is a stream of tangled heart. This is tangled heart, and this one is turtle vine. And also I have few plants here, but these are also like indoor plants. Yeah, definitely I need to water this plant and also peel it. This is not required, and this is also not required. Let us take this. It's very dry, and so now it is time to water this plant. Let me water it and put it back. Let me move these planters towards spinach plant and let us harvest both of them together. I'll add some compost to these plants so that they can regrow quickly. This is the harvest. of methi. Now after methi, it's time for these spinaches. I have another spinach pot at that pot of the balcony. We will harvest that pot later on, so we'll show you. So all the big leaves are harvested. Now I will keep them for growing again. This is vermicompost. Putting some vermicompost over it. Also for the methis, I'll water them lightly. Not much because the soil is already moist, so I'll water them lightly. That one is my compost bin. I have created this kitchen waste compost farm. There, see the quality of compost. Now I have another pot of spinaches over here, and two tomato plants are growing. You can see one is already started flowering. This broccoli is not growing so good. Let us see what happened. These are the corianders growing. I have thrown some seeds that was extra seeds I have thrown in this pot, and these corianders have grown. So let us pick those. Now let us harvest this pot. Oh, I have few methis growing here also, so I'll pick them off. Let us clean these dried leaves also. These are also part of my weekly activities to clean up my plants. Now it's time for some pesticides. I'll spray neem oil solution to all my plants. So I have this neem oil solution. I'll put in 1 liter water. It says 2 ml per liter of water. So I'll put 2 ml. Yeah. When we are working in a balcony like this, we need to be extra careful so that we don't disturb our neighbors, we don't spill anything don't go to their space. So I'll be extra careful.
It's very important to spray the backside of the leaves because most of the time you will find the tiny insects at the backside of the plant leaves. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. And for more planty videos, subscribe to PlantiFy. See you soon with another video. Till then, bye.